And welcome to my video session, my dear student. I know you are exhausted not being able to come to school because of pandemic situation. So I know you are safe and sound at home. This is because you watch this video if you are online, and if you are offline you take at the video later. Dear student, there are some reasons mentioned in our English first period text. There is the sea level is rising gradually and the polar bear shown in our English first period text feel comfortable to top of the ice, and it gets comfortable to top of the ice, and it also gets shelter or accommodation problem. So, dear student, do you remember this type of picture where is in our text? I know you know that the picture is in unit 5 and due to the reason of climate change, and the result of the climate change is the roar of the mighty river. So, our discussing matter is unit 5 lesson on the unit 5 is climate change, and lesson, the name of the lesson or title of the lesson is the roaring of the mighty rivers. Dear student, you should take the you should open the book or take the book if you are online. If you don't know, or if you don't online, if you take out the book letter and match this. Dear student, your assumption is almost all correct, that the unit is climate change, and here in this unit text or section A, here is a passage also. You must have to comprehend this passage, and if you don't comprehend this passage, you don't answer the questions or you don't answer the aptitude test given below. So, you must have to comprehend this passage, section A, and in this section, in this passage there are one grammar article or grammar focus. The grammar focus is about infinitive. I know you have already knowledge that what is infinitive. Infinitive is 2 plus base form of verb. Infinitive is 2 plus base form of verb, means beyond. This is called infinitive. And if we tell it, or if we tell it another way, 2 becomes added or attached. 2 becomes attached before the base form of verb. Before the base form of verb, infinitive is made of. So, dear student, let's give an example. Let's give an example. He went to by a pen. So dear student, here 2 plus base form of verb, we call it infinitive. 2 plus base form of verb, this is infinitive, but sometimes 2 is used as preposition. Let's give an example, or let's give some example, like he went to go to school. Sorry, to school. Here to refer to school. Here to refer to school. And another example, or towards something, to school or towards something. And next, he is superior to me. Here to refer to person or somebody. This is also preposition. And we can say another example, he invited, or he was invited to the party. Here to refer to the party, occasion. So these are the example. So here is an grammar focus, infinitive and preposition. This is the section A, and section B there are 4 MCQ. There are 4 MCQ like section B, MCQ. One is, so dear student, I will write it in short. It is impossible to write elaborate, so I will write it in short. In paragraph 3, mighty rivers means, number 1, in paragraph 3, mighty river means here are 4 options, dear student. Here are 4 options. Suppose 1, 2, C and D. 4 options, and you have to choose, or you have to select most appropriate sentence. So I will I will tell the answer, and I tell the answer to you, and you must have to understand the meaning of the sentence, which is appropriate to, or which is appropriate against it. Mighty rivers means rivers that have huge volumes. Rivers that have huge volumes. Rivers that has, this is in your text. Rivers that have huge volumes of water and strong current. Match this in your text. And second, number 2, landed property. Number 2, property. Here are also 4 options, B, C and D. And which is the most appropriate against it? So most appropriate is property in the form of a source. Property in the form of a source property in the form of a source of income to this of income to its owner. Number 3, whispering wind. Whispering, number 3, WHIS, whispering wind. Just try to understand what, try to find out the appropriate, most appropriate options. Which is the most appropriate options? Wind that blows with a hissing sound. See the answer. Wind that blows with hissing sound. With a hissing sound. And number 4, dancing flames. Dancing flames. Dancing flames. Flames that are made. So answer, appropriate answer is flames that are made unstable. That are made unstable. That are made unstable by the blast of air. So this is the section B. This is section B, and section C next. And section C there are some open-ended question. Here 50% information are given from you, given for you, and you must have to answer the question in your own thinking. It may be shorter, elaborate, no matter. So dear student, take a look at the video, take a look at the later part of the video next time. Thank you very much.